Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use ChatGPT in Google Slides. I will keep this video very short, so make sure to watch till the end. To start, open a new browser tab and type in magicslides.app. Then click Install Magic Slides and Install to get started. Once installed, you can access it via the Extensions tab in Google Slides. Click the Extensions tab, then choose Magic Slides app-GPT for Slides and generate PowerPoint open. You can skip these steps if you don't have an invite code. Then here you can see 4 categories of your choice whether you want to write a prompt, to summarize a topic, write a text, and create a design that you want. You can input raw text or provide a topic in this box and let the AI generate a presentation from it. You can also add references for your topic, adjust the number of slides that you want, the language, and the type of presentation you prefer. For instance, if you want to explain globalization, simply type it in, hit generate, and the add-on will create a presentation for you. As we can see, the presentation covers various aspects of the topics I search. You can customize it further by replacing images or adjusting colors and fonts. With this add-on, you can have a basic presentation structure ready in just a few seconds. Give it a try, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.